Hey, what's up everybody? This is Stoney from Atlanta, Georgia on Edgewood Avenue for Clubman TV. I chose Atlanta for the home of Stoney's for mainly one reason. I had a bunch of clients who used to come down and visit, and that's what they would tell me when they come back. Hey Stoney, you should really relocate to Atlanta. And you know, it took a while for them to convince me, but eventually they did, and I'm glad I made the move 20 years later. Stoney's has been in business for a little over 15 years now. Back in '02, I was walking through the neighborhood, saw the building, saw it was for rent. It used to be a barbershop, so you know, I thought it would be a perfect location for Stoney's. I've been using Clubman Products just as long as I've been barbering. When I first started, the only two products they had out as far as powders was Jerris or Clubman. So it was either one of the two. So I would grab the Clubman because I thought it was just a, you know, snazzy little, you know, the guy standing there with the cane. It was pretty cool and whatnot. Then I've also used the aftershaves. That's what I call the high octane. When they want it to burn, that's what I put on. I guess in simple terms, professionalism. It's a professional product that I love to use. I've been using it for years now. And it's one of those things that, you know, when people see it, it's a trusted brand. It's almost solidifying you as a barber when somebody walks in and sees the Clubman Products on the station. My favorite Clubman product probably, I would have to say, used to be the Spice Rum. The Spice Rum aftershave, but now, you know, the Whiskey Woods, the new product Whiskey Woods, that's a great product. Ultra fine powder. The fragrance is refreshing because it's different from what I've been smelling for the last 30 years when it came to Clubman, but it's very refreshing. I like it a lot. Before I pull it out, I always holler, Whiskey Woods! The barbershop is usually the cornerstone of the community. Anytime when there was a new town being built, one of the first things that were there was the barbershop. And, you know, it brings life. You know, people love to be groomed, and it's, you know, it's very vital in our communities. I think Clubman's new aftershaves are awesome products. They've come out with 3 new fragrances: Brandy Spice, Gentleman's Gin, and Whiskey Woods. All great products, but me personally, I'm fond of the Whiskey Woods. That's the one that I really rock with, man. Great product. The haircuts that are most popular amongst our clients are, you know, a lot of the basketball players are wearing them. DeAndre Jordan, you know, Swaggy P, you know, faded on the ear, bushy, faded on the side, braids going back. Those seem to be the haircuts that the youth really like these days. My advice to new barbers or new shop owners would be, you know, stay down. It'll all pay out. You know, nothing happens overnight. You know, it took years for me to get to where I'm at now. I've been in the game for 30 years now. So it's one of those things to where, you know, if you stay down, it'll pay off. Barbering has been very good to me over the years. Very. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and share this video, guys. All the way from Atlanta, Georgia, this is Stoney signing off. Be sure to check me out on Instagram, Stoney the Barber.